Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Gemini. This is going to be your daily reading, Gemini. Let's see what's coming up for you all today. Okay guys, you have an angel card, friendship, courage. Okay guys. Okay Gemini, I feel you're involved in some kind of legal issue, guys. Maybe some kind of dispute, okay, and you feel you're not properly treated, okay, you're not fairly treated by people around you, okay. This may be the issue that is burning your heart, okay guys, but it's not a major thing, guys. You can overcome it, okay, through clarity of thought and without thinking emotionally, okay. When you think for yourself, not emotionally, okay, from a different perspective. When you think about the problem from a different perspective, you will clearly understand it, okay, and you will find the solution also. So that is what I feel here. And sometimes in life we feel we have to give up our beliefs and ideals to make others happy, okay, but that is not always true. You have to be courageous for yourself, guys. You should speak out your heart. You should be brave enough to say your points of view, okay, and you can do that without hurting others, okay, with compassion and understanding. When you do that, you will be able to find the solution for your problems and you will gain confidence, guys. When you speak your heart, when you speak the truth from your heart, you gain confidence and courage, and that is the way to solve the issues, guys. And it's time for you to share your heart, your feelings with your friends, okay. When you speak out to your friends, you get so much clarity for yourself, guys. When you speak to your friends, they counsel you to do what is right, okay. They will have a different perspective about your problems. They'll have a different view of your issues, okay. So you can talk to them, you can share your problems with your friends, and maybe your person, if you're free with them, that you can talk about your issues, you have to do that. You don't have to feel alone, guys, okay. So when you share your problems and when they give suggestions, you will get a different perspective, different decision you can take regarding your problems, and you will be able to find a very good solution for your issues also, Gemini. So that's what I feel here. So let me pick out 3 more cards, okay, to give you a better clarity of the situation, guys. Ownership, elevation, priorities. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. With these cards, the energy I'm getting is you should prioritize your goals, guys. You need to think every day whether you are on the right path to achieve what you want to achieve, okay. Instead of wasting energy on the things you do not want to do, you need to listen to your heart, okay, and think of the actions you need to do to reach your goal, guys. And even thoughts are important, okay, not only actions. even thoughts. We elevate ourselves. We attract what we want, guys, subconsciously. Like, we attract the things we want. So when we think of our goals, okay, when we think what we need to become in our life, okay, we attract those things. If you want to buy a new house, okay, if you want to buy a new car, you want to settle in your career, maybe you want to have a loving family, okay, good thoughts about it, good intentions about it help us to achieve those goals, okay, guys. And ownership, you should be courageous enough to own your actions, even though you others feel it was wrong, it was bad on your part, okay. So when you acknowledge your mistakes, you learn the lesson, guys. When you know you have done something wrong, you don't take the hurt with you, you let go of the hurt, but you take the lessons all along your life, okay. So each and every day, you should think over the lessons you have learned. You have to prioritize your goals, your intentions, what you want to become, okay. So when you do that, you grow emotionally, you become a better person every day, guys. And this you can do with the help of your friends or your partner, whoever you're very convenient with, okay. You can speak your heart, you can share your thoughts, and your burdens, whatever you feel you have to share with them, okay. Then you'll get a clarity on your for your issues, guys. That is what I feel. Let me pick 3 cards for your love message, guys. My lovely Gemini, this is what your person feels or what you feel about your person. You're not afraid to be silly with me. You stare at me like I am the best looking person in the world. The way you love me. Okay, guys. So your person feels or you feel you can be without any kind of inhibitions with your person, okay. You're very free with them. You feel very what to say, very free with them. I'm not getting the exact word, guys. You love them a lot, okay, and there's good ability in this relationship, there's good understanding, guys, and you both are very much attracted to each other, okay. That's what I feel, and that is the energy I'm getting here. You're attracted to each other a lot, and you feel very free and at home with this person. You feel very homely, cozy with this person, okay. So this may be the person for you, guys. If you feel this way, this is the person for you. That's what I feel, Gemini. So this is the energy I'm getting, guys. Gemini, thanks for watching. I'll see you all with another reading tomorrow, guys. Bye.